I'm not one of those people who dislikes their birthday. And last year I actually had the saddest birthday ever. I had RSV and I was so sick for like 3 weeks straight, but it started the week of my birthday. So I was the most sick the week of my birthday. It was so sad. So I'm determined to make this week like the best week ever. I'm turning 24 and my birthday is in T-minus 3 days, but we are doing things all week for my birthday. We are celebrating all week. So that's what this vlog is gonna be. And you can also kind of use it as your guide on like how to make your birthday week the best week you can. I'm going to my dad's and we are gonna just do like a little birthday celebration. Hi guys, it is Tuesday morning now. I didn't film a lot at my dad's house last night just because truly there wasn't a lot to film. We ate dinner, we talked, and I went and got gas and I went home and like that was it. I love being able to go over, see him, see all my pups. I do have 5 dogs. Charlie, the big one that you guys saw, is my dog, but we don't have like room for him here. So he lives happily at my dad's house where he has his friends and a big yard to run around at. The little Shih Tzu, the one that has brown hair and white fur, that's Stella. There's not a thought behind those eyes, you know? She is, she's truly just a being and she's just here for food and that's about it. She's so freaking cute though. My dad's girlfriend, Mimi, she is Syrian, so she makes amazing food. She makes a lot of like Arabic food and it is always so good. Like it's so fire. She didn't tell me what it was called, what she made yesterday, because she said, I don't know, it's just something I grew up eating. And I said, okay, but it was like really yummy. She had like that white sauce, but there's like meat in it. There was spinach and eggplant, and the spinach and eggplant were mixed with a whole bunch of other things, but they also had pomegranate seeds on top. The flavor combination was so good. Anyway, that's like all we did last night, so I didn't get like a lot of footage. I did find a box in my closet though, because my dad's house is my like childhood home that I grew up in, and I found a box in my dad's closet of like high school memories. I was gonna show you guys like some pictures and stuff, but I'm not going to, simply because I have like other people in them, some of my friends, and like honestly I could reach out and ask them because I'm still like friends with a lot of these people, but they didn't, you know, consent to getting their faces plastered all over YouTube. Not only their faces, but their like 13, 14-year-old faces. It's nice to go through though. And I was a theater kid, so I did find like a lot of like old theater things, like a lot of my old playbills, a lot of like little awards that I had won and stuff. I found old scripts, all like, oh my gosh. So I just had like a field day with that last night. Guys, you know what I can show you? Let me get it, hold on. This is really gonna age me. This is a Ticketmaster ticket. You used to have to print them out. It wasn't a QR code on your phone. You used to get the physical printed out ticket version. I actually like want to cry looking at this ticket. See that? One Direction on the Road Again tour. Oh my god, I'm not gonna sit here and cry over Liam Payne because I think I already did that on the book channel. I was an OG One Direction stan, like to the point where when they were doing X Factor, I was watching through YouTube because I'm in America, so I couldn't watch X Factor UK. And I remember when they got 3rd place, like I loved One Direction. Me and my friends loved One Direction. We followed them throughout like the entirety of the career. It is so weird now to have like high schoolers be like, oh my gosh, you were a fan of One Direction when they were a band? Whoa, because I was 10 and I remember I was a fan of them since I was 10 to when they broke up. I mean, I'm still a fan of them now, but you know, really were like a huge part of my childhood. Like I was like an OG Directioner. And when I saw this ticket yesterday, I straight up just like started crying. I'm so glad I kept this though. Like I am so glad I kept this. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna take like my pre-birthday everything shower and I'm going to like do my hair all nice because tomorrow is my birthday. And I will check back in with you guys probably sometime tonight. Hey, so I'm in the same spot, but it's the same day. I am ready now. I got a new concealer and I didn't realize like how full coverage it is. I don't think you guys can like tell on camera, but I had to like put genuinely like more blush and bronzer on than I normally do because I just looked like a mask. Like, speaking of makeup, I'm a VIB at Sephora, but today is the first day of the sale for VIBs. So I am gonna go and do a little online shopping. I was so good about shopping last month. Like I really didn't spend that much money. So I do have some money to do some shopping for, and I'm gonna get my birthday gift while I do the shopping. It's like a win-win. I'm gonna do that now and I will check back in with you guys in just a second. Birthday to you. Yay! I'm so lightheaded. It's my birthday. The plan for today, we're gonna have some fun. I need some stress relief. It's November 6th in America, so, you know, not the way I wanted to wake up. Let's just say that. What I'm going to do today is I have a facial at 9:30 and then I'm going to Barnes & Noble in the mall. Barnes & Noble, that won't be shown in this vlog. Maybe I'll show like a clip or two, but that's going to be a video for the book channel. So I'm filming like a birthday book shop with me / birthday book haul type thing. And me and my friend and my grandma are going to go out to lunch at a nice little winery. I'm going to my mom's house. So I'm going to have a good birthday. I'm going to take y'all into my bathroom while I get ready. Cause like, why am I just standing here talking? I'm not getting ready because I'm going to get a facial. I can't do my makeup, so literally all I'm doing to get ready is I'm taking my hair out and putting clothes on. So I'm gonna do that really quick, and then we're gonna go bake some cinnamon rolls. Guys, it's not popping. I don't know if I'm actually gonna have time to eat one, but I'm hoping I can like grab one on the way out. This is the fit while I wait. It's so close, guys. I'm like gonna be like literally running out the door grabbing a cinnamon roll, I think. I think I just barely made it in time. I'm gonna set my timer for 13 minutes and hope to God it only takes 13 minutes. Just got out of my facial. I'm going to do my makeup in my car. This is my dog, by the way. Like, that's an actual picture of her. I am not going to do anything crazy. The facial was so lovely. I also use like the Physicians Formula like concealer. This concealer I just got and I love it. It is so buttery and creamy, but it is also so like full coverage. It's insane. I'm feeling good. I am, like I said, about to go to Barnes in the mall, which is why I'm like doing my makeup in my car, because like from where I'm at, it's just closer and I don't want to have to like drive home and do it and then drive back. So I'm having like a nice little chill morning. The facial was lovely. I had RSV on my birthday last year and I was sick, I'm not joking, for 20 days. I got sick November 2nd. I was the most sick on my birthday. I don't remember my birthday because I was so sick and I had such a bad fever. All I remember is staring at the ceiling and being sad that it was my birthday and I couldn't do anything. I don't know what happened. I don't know where I got it from. So I was like really determined to like make this year like the best birthday I could possibly make it. That's why I'm doing like a whole vlog and I have so many celebrations. I feel like this is the most I've ever done for any birthday ever, but I'm having a good time and I just feel so incredibly blessed to be surrounded by people who love me and will put up with my craziness about how I want to make this a good day for myself and a good week and a good celebration. Oh, also I just used the Rhode Pocket Blush in the shade Teddy, Toasted Teddy, and then I just used like the e.l.f. like lash and roll. I love this because it's so easy to take off and it doesn't like go on my eyelids, which is an issue I have a lot. But yeah, I'm feeling so blessed and so loved by my family and my friends right now. They've all been so wonderful and so just making sure that I'm having a good day, and like seriously, like the support system I have. If you are a family member or a friend watching this, just know like I seriously love you so much. Like I feel so loved, and especially because my birthday was so bad last year, they all know it and they're all like just really showing out for me and showing up, and like I'm very proud of the community I've built and the community that I have around me. I'm gonna use on my lips the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Bit of Honey. I love this on me. This is so cute. The NYX Butter Gloss, I remember when they were like viral for a second. We need to bring their virality back. I think this is like one of the best lip gloss products on the market and it's $4. Like that's it. Let's go to the mall. The damage, it's been done to my bank account, but my heart is full.
Guys, it's Gina's birthday.
Look at what
As you
she
can
did.
see, it's time to open presents.
I'm ready to
How are
open
we
presents.
feeling?
I have 3 nails on because I was doing my nails. She made me sit in my room. 3 nails on. I'm ready though. I'm ready.
Okay, we're gonna interview her right now.
Okay.
How does it feel being 30? I'm just kidding.
I'm 24.
How does it feel being 24
Why am I so
and
close?
young and vibrant and beautiful?
I feel older, like actually. You know how people always ask, like, the way I'm like actually trying. You know how people, wait. You know how people always ask how, oh, do you feel older on your birthday? My answer is yes, I do feel older right now. I do actually feel like my frontal lobe is developed right now.
Any message for your future self?
My message for future Gina is, how's the YouTube thing going? Because I'm feeling pretty good about it. I just got Lancome PR today. So the car, oh my God, did you freaking make this?
I did.
I just have to.
She is.
I'm gonna put this on my
older.
fridge. I can't believe you know how to do shit like this, by the way. Oh, am I gonna cry reading this?
Yeah. Don't
Okay.
make it on camera.
The way
Yeah, cry.
You started filming and I was yelling at you.
Yeah, this is what she's really like behind the scenes.
So she said the box first. Oh my god, it's a box!
It's a box, guys.
Ready? Ready? Oh my god, stop. Meryl.
Isn't it so
It's
cute?
so darling. Christmas sleepover. And it's my favorite color. This is like perfect, especially like California.
Yeah, I went with the shorts because of California. I figured, why does she even want
like,
pants?
I have to show. All I wear is pajamas since
It compliments you really well.
I literally, thank you.
You're welcome.
Next thing.
There's 2 items in there that are really fragile. Show the camera first. You guys, she has no idea what she's holding.
I'm really scared.
Okay, open your eyes.
Stop! This is so adorable. Books and wand.
Yes.
Stop it.
They had different ones, and then I was like, wait, I have to do the book one.
Yeah.
That's why I texted you Harry Potter or Gilmore Girls.
Oh my god. 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 Stop!
The color.
Oh my god. Imagine our Christmas sleepover with these. The way my mind just keeps going to when we hang out
Bingo.
at Christmas. But also I could use these all year round. Like this is gorgeous.
The color was
They're
perfect.
so beautiful. I love it. I love it.
Okay, this one. This is the one where it was like, oh, you're coming home with me, but you're going home to her. Show the camera first. Okay, show yourself.
Oh my god.
You guys, there was
Are
a theme here.
you serious?
I've never
You know
seen
what's-
something more like her in my life.
I'm like at a loss for words.
We went
guys,
to BJ's instead of the winery because it's really windy. Why are you so close?
Gina's gonna give me an eye test. Watch.
An eye test?
Yeah, give it to me.
Okay.
I look like
Gotta go a little slower.
Yeah, what the heck? Are you trying to give me epilepsy?
Penny, oh my god, she looks like so bug-eyed. Amaya baked this for me. Is it funny, like when I talk about you in third person, like you're not here? Danny, he's a baby. Turn the lights off for Kim. It's a baby. It's a baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gina. Happy birthday to you. Hello everybody, it is a few days after my birthday now, but the birthday celebrations continue. Today I don't have anything specific planned, but I did want to do like a what I got for my birthday. I think it goes without saying, I'm so incredibly grateful to my family and my friends and just like the support system that I've built to where they're buying me things like they don't need to be doing that. I love giving gifts, but I feel like I'm awful at receiving them because I get like, oh no, it's okay. So my boyfriend is the sweetest guy in the entire world. If he sees this video, it's gonna embarrass him that I'm talking about it. Sorry, Ryan. But like truly, I've never felt like the amount of love and support from anyone that I feel from him. He just always fully supports any of my crazy, wild, fun ideas, and my YouTube is no different. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see this because I don't want to like hurt it. I'm gonna be like very gentle with it. He got me. It says Gina Lillian. It's a neon sign for the background of my videos. He's so cute. I love all the gifts I got. Family, friends, thank you all so much. But like this one, I'm sorry, it just takes the cake. I can't even describe the amount of love I felt when I opened that. He just sees me and he just loves me, and I'm not good at putting things into words. I love him. I think it's gonna go right here for now. And then if I ever change like filming areas, it's really easy to take down and put back up. For my aunt and uncle, I got a DoorDash gift card, a $50 DoorDash gift card, so that was fun. My boyfriend's parents also got me some things. I love them, I love them. And my boyfriend's mom just got me a bunch of like little goodies from Sephora, which was so fun. So she got me makeup wipes, which actually was crazy because I stayed over at his house that night and I needed makeup wipes. Also like some face masks, bright booster masks, caffeine eye masks, like oh my gosh, little fun things like this. Then I got fruity gummy bears. I'm excited to try these. She also got me a Sephora gift card, so I'm so excited. This also is like the perfect timing because the Sephora sale is happening. I did buy things in the Sephora sale. I know you guys saw that in this video. They're not here yet. This is so cool. I'm so excited about it. It's like a daily brush cleaner, so you can spray your makeup brushes with it and it like sanitizes them, which is gonna be like so useful. And then she got me like a little Amika volume and texture spray, and this will be like the first time I'm trying Amika's products, so I'm really excited about it. She also got me like the comfiest, coziest sweater I've ever received ever. If you follow the book channel, you will see me wearing this a lot. I mean, you'll probably see me wearing it here when I'm vlogging. It is, oh my god, it's just like this zip up like long hoodie. It's so cute. It's pink and it has these little sheep on it. I wish you guys could feel this. It is like the softest thing I've ever felt. I'm not joking. I'm going to live in this, especially in the cooler months. Like I can just see myself like keeping this by my bed and throwing it on immediately in the morning. I could see myself sitting here reading with it on. I could see myself opening freaking Christmas presents in this. Like it is just the warmest, coziest little sweater. I'm so excited about it. Then my friend Meryl had like a very Christmassy theme to her. She's so cute. She actually, you guys can't see you now, but she put up that happy birthday thing for me. I know you guys saw me open these on camera, but I just want to show you once again. So she got me like these cute little like Harry Potter ornaments where it's like the books, and I'm reading Goblet of Fire right now, so that is fun. And then like the coziest, comfiest Christmas PJs. And like you saw, she got me these beautiful glasses. I could use these all year round, but they are gonna be really, really great for just like Christmas and like holiday season. Like I'm so excited about them. I am trying to find like the perfect place for this in my room because I want it to be displayed. Like it is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Like this is just me. This is just so me. Then this isn't like a gift, but I came home on my birthday to Lancome PR, which I was not expecting whatsoever. So that was so cool. I don't have them in here. I put them in my bathroom, but I'll show you like the back. It's like these perfume sets. So it came with all 3 of these. It's all the same perfume, but like in different sizes. They smell so good too. It's like the most beautiful, like girly floral. I don't know how to explain it, but like truly it is like the most wonderful floral scent I've ever smelled in my life. Like it is just like pure roses. Like it feels like you just walked through a rose garden. It is so girly and beautiful. And also like this box, I'm so keeping this to put things in. Like it was so cute. That's like what I got for my 24th birthday so far. Like I said, I know I have like a few more things coming, so I'll definitely like show those too. Hi, it's a few days later. I do have 2 very exciting packages. So our Sephora order came from the Sephora sale and my birthday present from my mom. So I am going to open my birthday present first. I think I know what it is and I'm so excited about it. I had this on my Christmas list, so she got it from there. I don't think you guys are ready for this. It's like actually the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Look at her! It's a Dodger shirt, but look at like the cute little ballerina. I'm super girly, but this year has been like the first year that I got into sports, and it's literally because of Shohei Ohtani. My family has been like lifelong Dodgers fans. Shohei Ohtani got signed to the Dodgers this year, and all of a sudden I was like, whoa, I kind of love this. And then they won the World Series. Yeah, I'm a Dodgers girl. I cannot wait. I'm gonna have to call her. I'm so excited. I literally like want to wear this. It's so cute. I want to wear it all the time.